the one and only Oracle of Omaha appears to have taken a serious interest in Tesla stock, and additions could change the course of the stock forever. You won't want to miss this because people are wondering if he's finally ready to touch Tesla stock as the crowning jewel of a lifetime of incredible achievement. The recent rally in Tesla stock price has his all-breathing relief. However, the recent rally is nothing compared to the news we have in store for you today. Get ready for an exciting ride as Elon could potentially transform numerous industries. Before Christmas, Tesla CEO Elon Musk made another contentious statement suggesting that Warren Buffett is going to benefit on the market instability and snap up on cheap stocks in 2023, which provoked widespread. I predict that Warren Buffett will be buying a lot of stock next year if a company has very strong fundamentals. But then the market is doing some short-term panic situation. The time to buy stocks is now clearly now. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, SpaceX, and Twitter, stated in a Twitter conversation with the Full Mars catalog, given Musk's concerns that rising interest rates during an economic slowdown will hurt auto sales and stock prices. Musk said that Buffett, the CEO of Berkshire Hathaway, is renowned for his ability to identify low-cost, high-quality businesses and make them long-term investments. He is also noted for his ability to capitalize at times of instability. It's clear that he believes that market turbulence will present Buffett with opportunities. Last year, news broke that Berkshire Hathaway, led by the legendary investor Warren Buffett, was continuing to unwind its long position in BYD, indicating that the investor was selling BYD shares in favor of Tesla following 14 years at the top. This Chinese electric vehicle manufacturer is a serious rival of Tesla. Some have conjectured that Warren Buffett is funding an investment in Tesla with the proceeds from the sale of his Berkshire Hathaway shares, and statements from Buffett's right-hand man haven't done much to refute those claims. Charlie Munger, vice chairman of Berkshire Hathaway, has described what Tesla has accomplished in the vehicle sector a miracle. We haven't had a successful new auto company in a very long time, but when considering the auto industry, what Tesla has to offer, Munger made it clear that he does not compare Tesla to Bitcoin. On a recent episode of CNBC's Squawk Box, Munger praised Elon Musk and his electric vehicle from Tesla, calling it an extraordinary feat in the American auto industry. Achieved is nothing short of miraculous, even though Tesla is the biggest electric car company in the world based on market valuation. In the last 3 months, NIO's 20% decline looks somewhat better, but it is still not competitive when set side by side with BYD's gains, of which Berkshire owns 14. Munger noted that the stock of Tesla has dropped by approximately 50% in recent months. Other recent declines can be seen in Lucid Group and Rivian Automotive. Normally, this wouldn't seem like much, but throughout the same time period, the rest of the EV business has done horribly. Regretfully, it is starting to show that BYD is outperforming Tesla in the stock market. While Tesla only offers fully electric vehicles, there's a big difference between the EVs that the two businesses sell. BYD sells both fully electric and plug-in hybrid electric vehicles, HEVs, with PHEVs having longer driving ranges than fully electric EVs. BYD also outsells Tesla on price, which increases demand for its EVs in China, while Tesla has been forced to lower the price of its cars sold there despite the fact that both Tesla and BYD have encountered production challenges in China due to the COVID-19 pandemic. It seems that BYD has handled these issues better than Tesla has. Tesla is not only an electric vehicle. As far as we can tell, Tesla's CEO Elon Musk believes the company can increase car deliveries by an average of 50 annually, making it a pioneer in the electric vehicle space and one of the most popular stocks of the previous decade. However, there is one reason why Tesla isn't a Warren Buffett stock. Even though the company currently has the highest operating margin in the entire auto industry and its future looks bright, Buffett isn't investing in Tesla shares. It is possible to assume that Warren Buffett is not interested in Tesla because the company's business model is too complex for him to understand, given that the company's shares are down over 75 from their all-time high. However, Buffett has demonstrated that he is not opposed to investing in electric vehicle stocks, so it may not be too difficult to determine the most likely reason behind Buffett's rejection to acquire the Chinese EV startup BYD, in addition to the 3.5% of General Motors that Berkshire holds. Since Tesla's stock isn't cheap compared to some other stocks in Berkshire's portfolio, Buffett uses a simple test to determine whether to purchase a stock. If the stock isn't available at a reasonable price relative to the low end of its estimated earnings range, he won't buy it. Currently, Tesla stock trades at around 24 times earnings with a price-earnings growth ratio of 1.8, both of which are attractive. Although Tesla may have an impressive exterior, it fails the Buffett test because by discounting select models by the end of 2022, the business shows that Buffett is not convinced that it has a large enough moat to avoid having to lower its valuation. Notably, Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, has previously disregarded Buffett's recommendation for investors to look for businesses with buffers or moats surrounding them, calling moats insignificant and arguing that what counts is the rate of innovation. Even while it is evident that Elon Musk does not match the description of the CEO Buffett typically prefers, some, including Buffett, may view this move as proof that Tesla may not have as strong of a competitive advantage as many believe. Buffett seems to think that Elon and Tesla have the ability to do quite well in the not-too-distant future. Buffett himself affirmed this in a prior interview with a former CBS anchor. Charlie Rose pays tribute to Musk's numerous achievements to Tesla. Although Tesla did not invent the electric car or even the luxury electric vehicle market, Buffett said that what Elon is doing is unimaginable because he is competing with companies like General Motors, Ford, Toyota, and the like, all of which have vast resources but just have an idea to offer. The industry is growing larger by the second as more automakers enter the EV space. And one reason why recent Tesla stocks have performed so well since its IPO is because of the company's novel business plan, which involves maintaining complete control over sales and servicing. Despite this, many experts and investors view Tesla more as a technology company than a car manufacturer. Encouragingly, Tesla's stock price grew by more than 300% in a single year starting in 2013. Retirement in 2031 would require 37 years if you saved 20% of your salary annually and you expected your investments to yield 5 to 7% after inflation. If you saved 25% of your income annually, it would take 31 years. Previously, we heard that the facility produced a cumulative number of 1,004,680 type cells in February, and that was since production started in 2020. This made Tesla one of the most valuable companies in the world, with a market capitalization of over $600 billion. Many wondered if Warren Buffett would buy Tesla stock if he was pleased with the company's valuation, felt confident about its moat, and was a big fan of its management. Buffett once said that investing is a game of sitting on your hands and letting pitch after pitch pass one by one until one of them hits you, right where it counts. If you want to see even more bizarre news about Tesla stock, subscribe to this channel. Buffett waits to acquire just the stocks that are best appropriate for his investing approach. Kindly hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the upcoming music video.